Pretty happy. I'm finally going to actually get to some welding today. So I'm going to get this first stuff tacked. I just want to keep everything nice and aligned to where everything's in as far as possible, and I can build it out with the Bondo. I don't want to have to be hammering on it or anything like that. So I'm just going to get a couple things tacked together real quick, see how it goes. Better set this welder. This thing was set for 3/16. I'm welding here with 18 gauge, so I'm going to go way down on the heat and kind of high on the speed. About 60. Another really annoying thing is I don't know if I mentioned this already, I may have, but I don't have an auto darkening shield right now, so that's all. Really making sure everything. Got it. First tack is officially done. Go ahead and tack this. Oh man, can't speak today. I'm going to go ahead and tack this in a little bit better. I'm really trying to not overheat any of this. Like I was just welding right on the other side of there, and it's not even barely hot on this side. I want to get good penetration, but at the same time I don't want to torch everything. All right, so I didn't have my piece of metal aligned right, but now I do. It moved and my ground clamp was hiding it. My ground's all messed up, so it's kind of a pain in the ass to get a good ground. I don't know, I got a good bit of smoke. I'm really hoping I don't have anything on fire up in there. Shit. And I am going to cut away a lot of this old shit, so I don't need people panicking that I got all the rust still there. It's really hard to see anything in here. So I thought I was done with all the cutting, but that wasn't the case. This piece is going to be 9 by 5. there are better ways to do this. Sun wasn't set up for cutting today, so this is kind of just on the fly workspace. Something kind of like that. Safety squint screwed me that time. So one of two things is going on here. Either the metal has gotten harder or these blades have gotten softer, because cutting 1, 2, 3, like 4 cuts, and that's what you have out of regular sheet metal. Something that can make a big difference too is having a piece of scrap wood to cut into. It'll make it a lot easier. Will it still cut? So I'm kind of shaping each piece individually. This piece isn't really supposed to be an exact rectangle. It's wider at the top than at the bottom. Okay. Didn't I get 2 pairs of those? No? I thought I did. Scored the back, slide it into the line. Is there something to do this? I don't have anything handy. Don't have anything handy, so I'll just use my hand. How'd you like that one, Jack?
You're a dad joke.
Good enough. Think that's good enough?
Yeah, I would say so.
Let's see. All right, guys, I'm going to end this kind of abruptly. You know, that little guy, what's he doing? So I'm just going to call it quits for today. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next video. This is a long time-consuming process, so I'm going to do this in little bits and pieces. So follow along, or you can wait until it's all done and watch the final video once the thing's all painted and finished, but that's going to be a little while still. So bear with me, hang in there, and I'll see you in the next video.